Hey, you're welcome back to Affix and N channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to unlock spicy mode and enable NSFW settings on your Grok AI step by step. So if your Grok AI isn't giving you matured or unrestricted responses, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually works and even how you can actually adjust your settings properly. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So right here on your device, the first step you need to take here is to access the Grok AI app. You can actually do that by going to your X Twitter app like this. So if you go to your X Twitter app like this, the Grok AI is actually at the bottom of the screen. If you're not seeing the Grok AI icon at the bottom of the screen, you need to update your X Twitter app. The X Twitter is actually known as the formerly Twitter app we normally use. So this is actually the new Twitter app, which is known as X. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see the Grok AI right there. So you can go ahead and click on it, and it is going to direct you to the Grok AI here. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can actually go to your Play Store or click on Install right here. You can see that at the top of the screen. You can click on that, and it is going to direct you to your Google Play Store. Make sure you update it to the latest version. You can go to your Play Store, App Store and search for Grok AI app, and this is what you're going to see. Install it on your device, update it if you already have it on your device. Then go ahead and click on open in order to open it. So you need to check your subscription as well, because some of this Grok AI feature actually work only when your subscription is still active. In order for you to do that, you can click on the two-line icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, looking here, you can see Super Grok. You need to click on that and take your premium plan. Some features won't actually work if you don't have a premium plan. So you need to check your premium plan and make sure you have an active premium plan in order for you to access more features on Grok AI. So going back to the home page. So here is actually the honest truth. You must have been seeing a lot of videos about this on YouTube, but the honest truth about this is that there is no current official spicy mode button inside the Grok AI settings that you can actually turn on, and you'd be able to enable the spicy mode or unlock the spicy mode. Grok does not actually provide a direct NSFW toggle that you can manually enable, but the Grok AI is actually designed to be more relaxed and humorous compared to other AI chatbots. What this actually means is that it may respond to mature topic differently, but still within the platform guidance. So in order for you to get more open responses, you need to use clear prompts or even specify the educational purpose of what you actually want, or ask about adult topics in a respectful way. These are the ways you can actually get the best from your Grok AI. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say instead of typing or saying something like turn on spicy mode, you can actually say something like explain this topic in an uncensored but informative way. With that way, Grok AI is actually going to give you its best. Let me repeat again. Instead of saying something like turn on spicy mode, you can actually say something like explain this topic in an uncensored but informative way. The AI is actually going to give you a better response. AI responds when you give it a structured prompt. So you need to understand this as well. Now I'm going to warn you that you should be careful of videos or websites that are claiming to have secret codes or telling you about hidden APK downloads or even modified Grok app. Don't download that apps and don't even listen to them. There's actually no legitimate way to hack or unlock hidden NSFW features. So if the feature is not inside the official Grok AI, it does not exist. Alright, we've come to the very end of this video. So this is actually the truth about unlocking spicy mode on Grok AI. So if you found this video helpful and this video actually helped you to understand how it actually works, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Alright, comment below and tell me if you found this video helpful and what you would like me to make next in my next video. Alright, see you in the next one. It has always been Daniel.